Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Copilot on my phone. Let's get started. Once you reach Google Play Store, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to search up Copilot. And there you go, Microsoft Copilot. So we're going to click on that. So now we're going to press install. Okay, now it says here Copilot, your everyday AI companion. So you can just press continue down there. Now it says, welcome. This is exciting. The more creative you are, the more we can discover about the world. Try asking me about something you've been curious about. So what I would recommend is to first sign into your Microsoft account or your Google account if you want to, because then it's going to save your responses and other information about things that you've asked before. So that's really important. And as you can see there, there's a little microphone at the bottom. So if you want to directly speak to Copilot instead of typing or texting, so you're going to press on it and then use your voice, and then once you're done, it's going to give you a response. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.